stayed at DFRC in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. The lady, she then provoked me with roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. And it's a honky tonk women.
Yes, saddle up your horses now and keep the powder dry, 'cause the truth is you won't be long. Yes, then you're gonna die. To the heart, there's no time for you to waste. Don't waste your precious questions now by staying in one place, by giving up your race.
To the east, the road beneath my feet. To the west, I haven't got there yet. To the north, where I never will be caught. To the south, my time is running out. Maybe somewhere down the road away.
At the end of the line,
Think of me and wonder where I am these
at the
days.
end of the line,
Maybe when somebody plays Purple Haze, but it's alright,
even if push comes to shove,
and it's alright,
oh, wish you had someone to love,
and it's alright,
everything will work out fine,
and it's alright.
we go to the end of the line,
I don't have to worry about the kind of car that I
at the end of
drive.
the line,
I'm just glad to be here, happy to be
at the end of
alive.
the line.
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Mama, put my guns back on the ground. I can't use them anymore. Long black cloud, it's coming down. No, feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. May you never lay your head down without a hand to hold. May you never make your bed out in the cold. You've been just like a good and close sister in mine, and I know I left you like I should. You never talk dirty behind my back, and I know that there are times that you could. Please, won't you bear it in mind? Love is a lesson to learn in our time. Please, won't you bear it in mind for